Hello and welcome. In this video, I will guide you through managing the order dashboard, helping you navigate and control it with ease. Let's get started. First, head over to the Orders section on the left side menu of your dashboard. Here, you will find the Order dashboard, which has 3 different views: Board, List, and Bump Screen. The best part? It updates in real time, so you never have to refresh the page. The board view is fantastic for managing orders in real time. Orders move from left to right across different status columns, allowing you to track them at a glance. Here are some key features. The icon on the left quickly tells you if an order is for pickup, delivery, or dine-in. The color of the icon indicates the order's current status. Clicking on an order lets you view details, change the status, modify the estimated ready time, and take further actions. At the top, you will also find options to zoom in and out for better visibility, show or hide unconfirmed orders, adjust quick service settings for pickup, delivery, and dine-in orders. Next, we have the list view, which gives you a clear summary of your latest 10, 25, or 50 orders. This view is not the best for active order management, but it is perfect for searching and filtering orders. You can apply filters to find specific orders or customers quickly. And if you need reports, you can export order data and customize the details you want to download. The bump screen is a digital kitchen display system designed to improve order management and kitchen efficiency. Want to learn more? Stay tuned for our upcoming tutorial on bump screens. And that's it. Once you get familiar with the order dashboard, managing orders becomes quick and efficient. By staying organized and keeping order statuses updated, you will ensure a smooth workflow and a great customer experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.